Assalamu alaikum. Hello, my dear student of Dawhat al-Ma'arifah Private School. Grade 6, I wish you all are fine. Today we are going to study a new grammar lesson. But before we start our new lesson, let's revise the list of words that we have studied yesterday. Open your booklet on this page. We will revise this list of words. Listen and repeat after me. Dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Tropical rainforest, tropical rainforest, tropical rainforest. Million, million, million. Temperature, temperature, temperature. Frog, frog, frog. Poisonous, poisonous, poisonous. Climate, climate, climate. Large, large, large. Now let's move to our new lesson. Open your booklet on this page. We will study the adjective and the comparative and superlative form from them. Let's discuss our lesson. The first thing we have to know is adjective are used to describe nouns. تستخدم الصفات في وصف الأسماء, and we have two kinds of adjectives. Short one, and it is consisted of two syllables like the adjective short and long, fast, slow, big, small, happy, sad, young, old, hot, and cold. These are short adjectives. And the another one is long adjective, more than two syllables, like amazing, famous, fantastic, expensive, active, beautiful, scared, colorful, wonderful, and intelligent. These are the two kinds of adjective. Now let's move to the comparative in adjective. Comparative, how to make a comparison between two people, two things, or two place, two group, whatever. If you want to make a comparison, you want to give an adjective to someone more than the another. You want to give the adjective to someone, to something, to somewhere more than the another one. You can use this form. The subject plus is for the singular subject and are for the plural subject, and the adjective with adding the short adjective. The short adjective with adding er plus than plus the objective. Plus the object. You can say Ali is taller than Ahmed. So the adjective here is a short one, tall, and we added er plus than. Ali is taller than Ahmed. Salim is stronger than Amr. The adjective here is strong, and we added er plus than. She is faster than her friend. The adjective here is fast, and we added er plus than. They are happier than. The adjective here is happy, and we added er, and we have changed the y to I. Muscat is hotter than Bidbid. We added er to the adjective hot because it's a short one, and we added another t to the adjective to become double t, hotter than. This is the comparative form with the short adjective. Let's see the comparative form with the long adjective. Here we can use subject plus is for the singular, are for the plural, plus more. We can't use here er with the adjective because the adjective here is a long one, not short. The long adjective we can't add to them er, but instead we add the word more before the adjective, and the adjective plus than plus the object. And you can say Ali is more fantastic than. We didn't say here fantastical. It's a wrong adjective, but we can say more fantastic. Salim is more famous than Amr. We didn't use here er, but we used more because famous is a long adjective. She is more intelligent than her friend. They are more amazing than their brother. Muscat is more beautiful than Bidbid. So this is the comparative form with the long adjective. We didn't use er here, but we used the word more before the adjective. Now let's move to the superlative form. Superlative form. If you want to give the biggest part of the adjective, the most of the adjective to someone, to something, or to somewhere. You can use subject with the short adjective. You can use subject plus is for the singular and are for the plural. The plus the adjective with adding est, with adding est to the short adjective. You can say Ali is the tallest boy. There is here the. There is a missing the here. Ali is the tallest boy. Salim is the strongest. So the adjective short, strong, and we added the plus est. She is the fastest. We added to the adjective the plus est. They are the happiest. The adjective is happy and we added est, and the mascot is the hottest. We added to the short adjective hot the and est to the end of the adjective. Now let's move to the long adjective with the superlative form. The long adjective. You can use this form subject plus is for the singular and are for the plural. The most plus the adjective. We can't use here est the same as in the comparative form. We didn't use er, but we used more. Here we will use the most. Ali is the most fantastic. Ali is the most fantastic. So the adjective fantastic is a long adjective and we use the most. Salim is the most intelligent. The adjective here is intelligent and it's a long adjective and we used the most. She is the most beautiful. They are the most famous. Mascot is the most wonderful. So this is the superlative form with the long adjective. Now let's see some adjective. Tall, we can use taller than, short, shorter than. And in the superlative form, the tallest and the shortest. Fast, faster than, slow, slower than, the fastest and the slowest. Bigger, big, bigger than, small, smaller than, the biggest and the smallest. Happy, happier than, sad, sadder than, the happiest and saddest. Young, younger than, old, older than, the youngest and the oldest. Awesome, more awesome than, pouring, more pouring than, the most awesome, the most pouring. Expensive, more expensive than, the most expensive. Now let's try to answer this exercise on this page in your booklet. This one, we will answer this page, we will answer this one and that one. These two pages, we will answer them now. Quickly, let's answer the first page. Here, correct the mistake. I have the heavier bag. It's a wrong sentence because we have to say I have the heaviest bag. I have the heaviest bag. Tom is the best in our group. So there is a missing the here. Tom is the best in our group. Helen is thin than. We have to use er with thin. Helen is thinner than Pam. Mona is happiest than. We can't use happiest with than. We have to use happier. Happier because it's a comparative form. Tony is the oldest than Pete. We have also to use here older, not the oldest. This apple is the sweeter. We can say this apple is the sweetest. Your watch is cheapest than mine. Your watch is cheaper than mine. The tree is older than the street. In the street, the tree is the oldest in the street. My house is the most expensive than yours. You can say my house is more expensive than yours. Here we can say, or we answer this one, correct the mistake. The first one, April, then January, we have to say warmer than. August is the hot, we have to use in the superlative form, hottest. November is than, September, colder than. It is the tree in this park, oldest, not old. My mobile is expensive than yours, more expensive than. This text is easy text in the box, is the easiest text in the box, is it is the pouring film this week, it is the most pouring. Jane's hair is longer than Kate's hair. Now we reach to the end of our lesson. Enjoy your time and see you next time, inshallah. Be safe.